So we start the path of the gods. I'm Enzo. We go. We have 7 kilometers to go, hopefully. So, if you see this chapel, this is San Pietro Hotel. They have 2 private beaches and 1 private harbor. They have a lot of this boat is going there to San Pietro. It's beautiful to visit. There is a lift going down. There is all glasses. You can visit if you want. The only thing you have to walk a lot
to get to the lift.
there. The cross again, eh? It's a cross of Positano.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
So the high part is from there, going down, then boom, very difficult. More.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we will go there, eh?
Yeah.
Ciao. This is rosemary, eh? Rosemary.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
Oh, it smells so good.
the rosemary.
Oh.
Rosemary, yeah.
Oh, wow.
We have a lot of rosemary.
It takes over when you plant it.
Okay. It's nice they have the railings.
This, yeah,
It's-
the fences, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're a bit broken, but it's a bit,
They won't support you, but
yeah, not much.
I could see why you need good shoes.
Yeah, I told you.
Yeah.
It's a bit rocky. So mostly it's up, so it's so much safer to go up. Going down is all this space, you know.
Yeah.
Much better going up.
I think this is going to be the best hike I've ever been on. Yes.
Adesso ridanzo.
I'm gonna help them pass.
Yeah.
Prego, prego. Ecco. So we are in the middle of the fault line here, eh?
I see.
Starts from here, eh? All
Yeah.
along.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Very beautiful people.
It is beautiful. So what kind of wild animals are here?
So we have wild boar,
Boars?
yeah, boars, viper, and grass snake.
Oh, wow.
You don't
Why did
see.
you ask that now?
It's too busy. It's too busy here. They escape from here.
Yeah, grass snakes are
I've
good
never
though.
seen them. Never.
Yeah.
How about the boar?
The boar in the iPad, I see a boar. Never here. I've never seen here. So this is my association, which I'm part. It's called KAI. And we built one, and then other people build other for good
yeah.
luck. So if you build good luck, if you destroy bad luck. Nice. It's active.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is my association. AIGAE means hiking guide, guida ambientale escursionistica.
Okay.
Okay. And this is AirBnB. It's a nice view, but very dangerous. 2 people died, so don't go there. This is the most dangerous piece. Andiamo.
Wow. Wow.
Nice, eh?
Yeah.
This is a nice place.
Wow.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A butterfly.
It was good luck. Ooh.
Bello, eh?
Okay.
Yeah, there's a sort of cliff here, but not so dangerous. Voila! Nice balcony.
Whoa.
San Pietro Hotel Beach. You're doing well.
Yeah.
Great, yeah.
Scary.
Yeah. But at least if you fall off, it's not. I can recover you, no problem. Not so dangerous. Yeah. It's a sort of sunset now. Huh? So you're traveling all over Italy?
Yeah.
Yeah, very slippery. You see, it's very polished.
Yeah.
So be very careful. Let's pepper, there's the shoes. Okay, be very careful. Okay, perfecto. Everybody's walking, so it's becoming polished. The lesson. See?
Lizard. Oh, I see. Careful.
I'm gonna touch you. This is beach wood. Beach wood. Good?
Yeah.
Andiamo. There is a nice view now. Greek mythology. So if you look this island, it's called Ligalli Island, which means chicken island.
Okay.
So Ulysses was coming from Paestum in Cilento, you don't see very well from here. And from Ulysses came to this island with the gods, in this case Neptune and Athena.
Oh, okay.
Neptune is the god of the sea and Athena the god of the land. So the sirens in this channel, which is called Channel of Positano, they wanted to kill Ulysses because they didn't let pass. So the path of the gods said, come over to my boat and you will be rescued to the path of the gods. But they came over to the high path, which is the path higher there, which is the real one. This is made for tourism reason because it's easier. You can go with gym shoes with this. So this is a symbol path of the gods. So this is the Greek mythology. Can be true, can be false, we don't know. But we have Greek temples in Paestum. If you wanna visit, there are Greek temples for sure, 100%. Ciao. Ciao.
Ciao.
We have the sunset walk today. Beautiful view.